Welcome back, y'all. I'm here at the river, the Wabash River, just catfishing. I'm using this Zebco slingshot from Walmart. The same line on it. It's a 5.6 light action. And then I didn't have time to turn on the camera because this guy hit so quickly. It's a 27-inch calming carp. My scale reads 8 pounds, which it's probably 8 pounds, honestly. Using a piece of night crawler. Caught him right in the corner of the mouth like circle hooks should do. How I normally unhook circle hooks is getting below the hook and pulling straight down. Just unhook it like a regular fish. These carp's mouths are so small. I had such a great fight on that little rod that I'm gonna go release him right now. Still not a bad one. And he definitely full of energy. And there he goes. Thank you all for watching.